So, how are we getting on? Little disclaimer, we lost the opening clip where I pulled the bike out of the box and all that crack, but we were pretty happy, loads of explosions and all, and now we'll just throw it on where I'll show you the bike. Let's get it up in the stand, see what it's saying. And there we go. Sometimes it snips out. Get some of this packaging off so you can see it a bit better. Here we go. Only the best of equipment will do around here. Never had an old transmission mech. What a piece. The inbuilt bash guard, logs and a few rocks and stuff to drive it into. See how she goes. Hand-built wheel inspection. Set of Traverse HD alloy wheels. All my spoke tension in there for safekeeping. Gonna start getting all the little bits out on show. Let's see what we're working with up front here. Quite a subtle, classy kind of a build, I'd say. All the little colours gone together, lovely. Expert build maybe? Looks a bit like an expert build. Yes, Stumpjumper 15 Expert, carbon frame, and new swap box, Fox 36 Performance Elites, the new Genie shock, looking forward to trying that out. Best of both worlds is what I'm hearing on the streets. What a rig. Currently 29er front and rear. Try it out, see how we get on. An S4 size, so longer reach than what I've been riding recently, but keen to try it out. This bike could be good for us spins and a few winter laps, so probably try to do a bit of mileage on this one. So just said we'd get a recommended size for a change. Could be a pretty quick bike, held back by its rider of course, but aren't they all? Very well packaged, I will say. It wasn't going to get scratched in transit anyway. Got new Maverick brakes. They're a snazzy piece of kit, aren't they? Maverick bronze pieces. Never had them. Heard good things. Try them out and see. Aha, just out the gap. From the bike build. Man down. Oh, just ripped the bag with my little washers for the pedals in it. Got them. Put them over here for safekeeping. We'll put the handlebars on, I think it'll help pull the bike together a little bit. All the package removal services here. We've been making slow enough progress. New little logo on the bars now. Pretty nice piece. It's nice with the old lecky gears, just losing a cable there. Like, oh, speak of the devil, just dropped everything. Big fan of this stem actually, little no gap piece. So you don't have to be too precise. I would say with putting it on, you can just sort of no gap the top and then put in the bottom ones and make sure it's kind of straight. I'll bring you over for the spin. Here we are now, tightening little stem bolts. Getting the front end looking sort of in one piece. Try to get these little things all lined up. Might see about a little T25 and swap the brakes and all that stuff over. Right hand front brake, back brake on the left. I thought of everything. Little SWAT tool. That'll be our T25. The shifter. But we'll leave him in there for a minute till we find a better home for him. Okay, front brake for safekeeping. Oh. Now that we have the front brake off and lecky gears, and we haven't put a dropper cable in, might be rude not to leave it as a little one brake setup. See, can we get a few turns on the go? That could go alright, couldn't it? no harm, no foul on the new rig. Yourself and myself might enjoy a little bar spin piece. Draw on the front wheel. Once again, hand-built wheel inspection. Oh yeah. Oh, the motorbike. What a sight. What a rigging. Beeping a boop. Oi! Straight in. Great success. What else have we got going on here? It's hard to know what to be at, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's gonna just good man for just fettling with stuff, you know, getting it race ready. They're beefy old calipers and brake levers. Feel pretty solid. Next big task is going to be finding a set of pedals. One would imagine I'd have to take them off another bike, but we'll try to sling a hot bar for you as long as the bars aren't too wide. Stay tuned. Yes, the boys. Found a set of pedals for us. Slap them on, see what it's all about. Beauty. Love to see it, boys. Set of pedals on a new rig. Find a little skid lid. Have a crack at it. See what it's all about. Yes, boys. Got a little helmet. Hopefully there's enough wind in the tyres and the fork and the shock. We'll drop it down. Hopefully the bars aren't too wide, but all will be revealed very soon. Tighten up a little pinch bolt up front, I'd say. Also, I never really bolt checked anything. It's not a how to build a bike, it's a how I build a bike. So take it with a pinch of salt. It should be alright. Woo! What a rig. Yes, the boys. What a rig. So, haven't actually sat on it yet. So, we'll do a little no cut and see what it's like. First little hop on it. Oh, David. You love to see that. Oh! Ah, love to see it. Oh, forgot to tighten the bars fully. What can you do? Oh. That shock is lovely. Okay, so after that jib session where you've seen a few little bar spins, that may be the end of the bike build because it feels mint. I enjoyed a few bar spins, so I think we might leave it as a little one brake setup for a while. Let us know what you think of the new bike, what you think of the bike build. Do you want more? I have two more bikes inside that could do with a building. So let us know if you want to see this kept as a little bar spinnable play bike, or should I just cop on and put a front brake on it and get the dropper set up. But let us know either way. Let us know what you thought of the video. And yeah, look forward to riding this bike a bit more. Huge thanks to Specialized once again, always looking after us. So excited for 2025. A few projects in the pipeline. All the best. Cheers for that, lads. Just put a lens cap back on you now, and that's the end of it.